The traditions of our fathers must be upheld in this matter. I agree. But how do we address the recent challenge to our authority? Your Majesty, we have considered the matter of the new market. We believe the proposed site is most favorable. It is well. Let the preparations begin.
This is a historical comparison of life in Igbo land before and during the current security situation in Nigeria. Igbo land has always been known for a vibrant communal lifestyle built on peace, productivity, and rich cultural expressions. However, the recent wave of insecurity across the entire Nigerian nation has disrupted many aspects of life. This comparison highlights how things used to be compared to how they have become today. Before the current wave of insecurity, Igbo land enjoyed a deeply rooted communal security system where vigilant groups, age grades, and village assemblies maintained order. Conflict was rare and typically settled through elders, councils, and traditional oaths. People traveled freely from village to village, often walking through farmlands or forests without fear. Nightlife, meetings, wakes, moonlight gatherings flourished without fear of attacks. The greatest security concern was petty theft, which communities quickly resolved. In the wake of insecurity, terrorist attacks, kidnappings, and armed invasions have created a climate of fear unknown in Igbo history. Inter-village travel has reduced drastically. Formerly free roads have become danger zones. People avoid moving at night, and public gatherings are uncertain or restricted. Community security structures struggle against heavily armed external attackers. Many families have been displaced, and villages that once never locked their doors now live under tension.
This is the best quality Ankara, very strong. It is 5,000 naira.
5,000? Mama, that is too much.
I'll give you 3,000.
I almost got you, Amara. You cannot catch me today, Chidi.
Just before the current security situation, Igbo land was famous for its bustling markets, from village square to major centers like Onitsha, Aba, Enugu, and Nnewi. Market days were safe, colorful, and full of human activities. Traders travel long distances across states and countries without fear. Transport businesses flourished, and night journeys were common. Markets also served as hubs for social interaction and cultural exchange.
Put it gently like this, darling. We need a good harvest this year.
Yes, Mama.
Today, socioeconomic activities in Igbo land have reduced drastically. Don't forget to follow us on this channel as we bring you more of these reports.